Connolly.
Palestinian situation, and I'm going local in Galway, and this is something where you can make your sweet words mean something. And so we have a Palestinian couple, a man who came last May, joined by his wife and 2 children in June, and the wife is currently 12 weeks pregnant. Inhumanely, they got a letter telling them they had to move yesterday. They had to move from their accommodation in Galway. The wife is pregnant, the 2 children were in the local school within walking distance. I wrote in desperation to IPAS, I wrote to the minister. Other than an acknowledgement that they were looking at it, nothing happened, except on the ground something happened, and the family had to move from Galway, from the roots, up to Dublin. No acknowledgement from me in relation to that this is inhuman, the trauma we've described this morning. They managed to get some type of peace and settle in Galway, and then like that they were moved like a product.
Thank you, Deputy. Coniston.
Well, look, thanks, Deputy Connolly, for raising the issue on behalf of your constituents in Galway and this couple, and your representations to the Minister for Justice in relation to the matter. I'll speak to Minister O'Callaghan and Minister Brophy, and I'll ask that they come back to you directly on this issue. I don't obviously know the circumstances directly, but I'll certainly take an active interest, and either I or one of the ministers will come back to you.